In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to clear search suggestions in Google Chrome. This is going to be the latest update on this specific topic. So in order for you to ensure that you don't get search suggestions, you need to do a few things. And the first one is super simple and easy. Open Google Chrome, and once you're here on Google search, you click on the menu icon to the top right, click on settings, and then you get onto this page. You do a search for sync and Google services. Okay, so SYNC, sync and Google services. So here you have sync and Google services. Click on this option, you get directed to this page. Under other Google services, you need to ensure that everything is turned off out here after this. Okay, so help improve Chrome's feature and performance. Ensure that this is turned off. Ensure that making searches and browsing better is also turned off. Enhanced spell check is also turned off, and improve search suggestions is also turned off. The second thing for you to do is clear your browsing data. So there are two methods to clear your browsing data. One is to do it directly from your Chrome browser. So on Chrome browser, you could just do a Control H. You get directed to this page out here for history. Here you could click on delete browsing data, and then you get a menu pop up like this. You need to ensure that all time is checked and everything is checked out here, and then click on delete from device. Once you do this, within a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes, your browser history is going to get cleared off. Now, another method to clear your browsing history is to do a search for activity on Google directly and log into your activity and click on the first suggestion. Log into your account if needed, and then you're going to see that there is an application or a page on which you could see all your Google account activity, like your app activity or your Play Store activity, or maybe your YouTube history and stuff like that. So if your web and app activity was turned on, you could go ahead and click on that option, and then you could clear your history out here. Now, apart from these things, what you could also do is X out the individual search suggestions directly from here. So whenever you click on this box, obviously you get a drop down suggestion menu sort of. You could go ahead and X this out. Maybe if you want to remove this, you could X it out, so that next time when you open the Chrome browser, you click on this, you are not going to get those suggestions that you were getting before. If this worked for you, do let me know in the comment section below. If it didn't work for you, do let me know via email so that I can look for more solutions to this specific problem. It is a problem actually for a lot of us. Take care, my friend.